Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send your Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens from Bitmart to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just consolidate your holdings, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and secure. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have verified accounts on both Bitmart and Binance, and always enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. This is crucial in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section and select Shiba Inu from your list of holdings. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to your SHIB balance. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave enough for any withdrawal fees. Step 3. Choose the correct network for SHIB. In 2025, it's likely still ERC20 on the Ethereum blockchain, but double-check this in Bitmart's interface to avoid any issues. Step 4. Enter your Binance wallet address. To get this, log into Binance, go to your wallet, select SHIB, and copy the deposit address. Paste it carefully into Bitmart. Double-check for typos to prevent losing your funds. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including fees and the recipient address. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification. Step 6. Sit tight and wait for the transaction to process. Blockchain confirmations might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, once it's complete, log back into Binance and check your SHIB balance in the wallet section. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your tokens. A quick tip. Always monitor for any updates to exchange policies or network changes by 2025, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!